So Oscar's Labradoodle. He's 8, almost 9, I think. And his lower body especially, he's showing some stiffness, getting up from sitting, and I was noticing he was walking, his gait was a little bit off when he was walking, and so I wanted to see if we could release some of those muscles and see what we can do to get him to feel better. You know, getting up just like any of the rest of us that get tight backs.
Okay. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with his back and just go along traps and his lats, get into the erectors. I'm going to look into glutes and hamstrings and some of the adductors and see what's going on with that. A lot of times when they're having back issues and they start to curl, there's some weakness in the erectors. And also if their legs are not strong enough to push them up, they're going to try to use their back to help pull. So right now I'm going down the erectors on the right side of the spine. Working down the leg, I'm starting off with TFL. So I can feel a little bit of vastus lateralis. There's a knot in there. So frequently in between treatment, I like to just kind of do some basic massage over the dog, relax them. Not all dogs are going to be up for, you know, some of the frictioning and getting into the muscles, especially if they're sore. So kind of do some petting in between them. Yeah, his hamstrings on this side, semitendinosus is really, really tight, and so are his gastrocs. Do you notice when he gets up, does he favor one side to the other when he's getting up?
I hadn't noticed.
Okay. Maybe see if he's doing that, because it feels like this side's getting more work than the other is.
Good sit.
Ooh. Yeah, his tendon attachments are really tight. So I'm just going to work on the left side of the spine. That's it, time for a treat.